Here's a fun one. At first glance, it doesn't look too scary. We just need to solve x to the power of x to the fourth equals 64. Most people immediately think, oh, it's probably 2. And honestly, I thought that too. But is that actually true? Let's find out. Here's the trick. I'm going to raise both sides to the fourth power. That gives us x to the fourth, all raised to the fourth, equals 64 to the fourth. Now this looks messy, but it's actually hiding something beautiful. Remember this exponent rule. A to the m, all raised to the n, equals a to the mn. Or, if you like saying it aloud, a to the m, then to the n, becomes a to the m times n. Watch what happens. The left side becomes x to the power 4 times x to the fourth. Now let's rewrite it one more time. Instead of writing x to the power 4x to the fourth, I'll write it as x to the fourth, all raised to the x to the fourth. Why? Because now both sides are speaking the same language. On the right, 64 is the same as 8 squared. Our exponent rule says we can multiply the powers. 2 times 4 equals 8. So 64 to the fourth becomes 8 to the eighth. Now look carefully. Both sides have the same exponent. X to the fourth, all raised to x to the fourth, equals 8 to the eighth. If the exponents match, then the bases have to match too. So x to the fourth equals 8. Almost done. Take the fourth root of both sides, and we get x equals the fourth root of 8. Sometimes the hardest looking equations aren't solved by guessing. They're solved by spotting one hidden pattern. And that's the kind of trick that's easy to miss until you've seen it once.